everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Be Creative and Artistic. In today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you all amazing back to school study hacks and tips to get your year off to a running start. So here we go. Number 1. Start fresh. Leave all your troubles, bad grades, grudges, enemies or fights behind. Go for a school shopping. For your school supplies, you will need a backpack, folders, pen, pencils, papers, etc. All of the usual supplies. 2. Be confident. Confidence is a likable trait. Having confidence will earn you a lot of friends. It also boosts your popularity. Look for friendly people in class. Having good friends will boost your confidence, and you will have a great time at school. 3. Here are some secret tips to be successful in students' life. Number 1. Always remember to keep your studies on your first priority. 2. Set SMART goals. S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, T for timely. 3. Maintain a good time management for your study schedule. 4. Pay attention to what teachers say in the class. Many times these lectures come as a flashback in exams. 5. Avoid all sorts of distractions from you. 6. The most important tip. Never ever try to compare yourself with others. 4. Study from first day and every day. Study even on the days when you don't feel like studying. Carry all your important book and notebooks to school every day and submit your assignments on time before deadline. 5. Keep some mint handy in your pencil case. It helps you to reduce headaches, boost your concentration. This is one of the best life hacks for school students. 6. If your pen is not working because the ink is dry, you can try putting some heat on it using a hand dryer or hair dryer. Pretty soon, your pen will work as good as new. 7. If you have highlighted something by mistake or simply want to remove some highlighted text from your book, then take a Q-tip and soak the bud with lime juice. Then simply swipe the bud over the highlighted text. This hack really works like magic. 8. Had enough sleep but still feeling super tired when you wake up? You're just dehydrated. Drink a glass of water. It will super recharge your body. So that's it all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Press that bell icon for my latest new updates. See ya!